Well, the video and photos you are about to see is from Mama's storm damage of that big old pine tree I was telling you about yesterday on our live stream. I'm going to go ahead and put that together, let you guys see that. Most of it's videos, or I'm sorry, most of it's photos. I do have some video in there, but mainly it's photos. Just to give you an idea what I was up to yesterday. So, had 100 subscribers this morning. Somebody hopped off the channel. That's okay. I appreciate 99 of you that have subscribed to the channel and watched my videos. You know, it's just a hobby. Thank you so much. Always like and subscribe. Be sure to share the old videos with the ones you love. Average Joe 76. Hope you enjoy it. Talk to you later. Good morning, people. Some storm aftermath here at Mama's. I talked about on my live stream this pine tree that's old. She planted it when she was 14 years old. She's in her 80s. It's been here 74 years. This doesn't do, the video doesn't do it justice. Just does not do it justice. I know it doesn't, but just to give you an idea, look at this. Look at this. Holy smokes. Look at the needles and stuff on this little tree. It's different. It doesn't even smell like a pine tree. And look how big around this trunk is. This is huge. We have nothing that'll cut this up. Nothing. Mama's wanting to have it taken to the sawmill. Well, I'm like, there's no telling how much it would cost to get this to a sawmill. This thing's heavy. It would make some beautiful wood, but it don't even smell like pine. I'm not sure what kind of a pine tree this was. It's massive. It even took down the little tree that was growing next to it. Look how high up the branches go. That's off of this thing. This tree's old. It's about 74 years old. It's all the way into these other trees, which it broke the top out of. It just stripped these little trees. Of course, it's heavy. I mean, it is a mess. It's a mess. Such a shame. Mama's been crying for 2 days over this tree. This is her home place. I hate seeing her cry. It makes me feel so sad. Look, I'm just zooming in on some of this. Look at how massive. This is the top of it. Look how massive. Just thank God that it didn't fall across the road or onto someone's house or cars they were driving by. That's all I can know. That's all I can say. Yeah, it's just a short video. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching the live stream this morning and clicking on the thumbs up button and liking and subscribing and all that kind of stuff. I don't even know what to say. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it. Look how beautiful. See those little pine cones? If anyone knows what kind of pine tree this is, I don't know. I've grew up around this tree. If you know what kind of pine tree that is with those little pine cones, leave me a comment below. I'm so curious. I'm curious. Look at there, it took all that tree. Look how big this thing is. I don't know. Oh, this is overwhelming when you look at it. I gotta get busy. All right, y'all. Average Joe 76. As always, thank you so much for watching my videos. Hit that subscribe bell, thumbs up, And again, let me know what you think about this in the comments. I need to know what kind of freaking pine tree this is. Huh. This is massive. Alright guys, so far this is what I've gotten done. I've got this much trimmed out, as you can see, but you can see what I'm up against. Look how high up this tree. This thing probably wouldn't have crossed the road. The limbs are so large. Look at this pile. I've got enough probably to work on for a few days, just that I've cut and piled up. But I'm making progress, a little at a time. But when you get in that main stump, I'm not sure. I may have to have somebody with a tractor or something come here. I don't know. But this is what I've gotten done so far. Putting it on my little wagon. As you can see, we're hauling it to the road as we go. So me and Slacker Sister. Say hi, Slacker Sister.
Hi, Slacker Sister.
And Granny. She loves it. This is what we've done so far on our tree. We got quite a bit cut. Front's cut off. The other side is gone now. Now we're going to start working on this side and start hauling it to the road. But that's where we're at on our progress on the poor tree. Granny, give us some history on the tree. Tell us a little bit about it.
Darren, I just didn't want to be on it.
Course. Hey, tongue in there. Yeah, too much pressure. Shit. Don't want to mess my chain up.